Hello everyone, welcome to Academic Dream Channel. Academic Dream Channel is a channel for discussion of B.Ed course. In this channel, continuously we are discussing about different topics of different papers of B.Ed. Today, in the continuation of our discussion, we are going to discuss a very important topic. The topic is different artificial devices of teaching. So let us come to the discussion. Actually, devices are the external mode which help in teaching learning process or which make our teaching effective, which make our teaching learner oriented. Dear learners, it is very minor as well as very deep concept to understand the topic called devices of teaching. There are a number of devices of teaching under the heading of artificial devices. There are basically 4 artificial devices which are narration, illustration, explanation and questioning. Actually, it is very difficult to find out the differences among all these 4 concepts. Generally, if we go through dictionary meaning of narration, illustration and explanation, the meaning appears more or less same in all respect. Questioning is different, which is very clear for us. To understand these all 4 concepts very simply, let us try to discuss one by one, and after the discussion the concept will very clear for you. Actually, narration is the discussion. Actually, narration is simply oral discussion. While we explain any concept orally without the help of any other means, then it is called narration. Oral discussion is narration, but illustration is also a kind of narration. But while we narrate something by the help of different teaching aids, on the basis of different teaching aids, while we discuss something, it is called illustration. In this sense, map reading is also a kind of illustration. So what is the difference between narration and illustration? In case of narration, it is not compulsory to take the help of any teaching aids, but in case of illustration, we must take basically the teaching aids, and on the basis of teaching aids, we should narrate something. But in case of narration, we no need to take any help of any teaching aids. But in case of illustration, it is also a kind of narration, but narration on the basis of certain teaching aids, as we have taken the example called map reading. Explanation is also a kind of narration, but here we use both. Sometimes oral discussion and sometimes same discussion is done by the help of teaching aids. It means that while we discuss, while we explain certain poem or story or any other topic from social science or other subject, time to time we can take the help of teaching aids. And while both oral teaching and different teaching aids are used together, that kind of narration is called explanation. That means in explanation it is not compulsory to take the help of teaching aids, but where it is necessary we should take the teaching aids. So how we can find the difference between all the three? Let us see once again. Narration is oral discussion. Illustration is only a narration on the basis of certain teaching aids, but in explanation, along with oral discussion, time to time, certain teaching aids are taken to teach the concept. But question is very simple. While we use questioning, while we use question in teaching learning process, that is also called a kind of artificial devices. Question may be different types, yes, no type question. Again, it may be developing question or certain other types of question, but question is definitely helpful in teaching learning process, so it is called device of teaching. Dear learners, dear trainees, my aim is to teach you narration, illustration and explanation at a glance. I think so. This concept is very clear for you. We'll learn once again. We'll appear again with some new concept. Till then, thank you.